Fixing a Sharp microwave, and found out that the door switch not working properly. See this? This is supposed to pop up, and this is like the switch, the red one. As you close this is a normally open circuit, so it's open. So when you open the door, if you open the door, this is as it is, and when you close it, it opens. No, or the other way around. But that's the diagram there. So once this button gets pushed, there's going to be a communication between this and that. It becomes hot. And if the symptom was it seems to be running, it's making a sound, but there's no light and it doesn't heat. All right. See ya.